Meaning of dandle.
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 Dandle. Dandle means to move a baby or young child up and down in a playful or affectionate way, typically with gentle bouncing or patting on the back. The result of dandling is often a sense of comfort and security for the child, as well as a bonding experience between the child and the person doing the dandling. This action has been shown to promote healthy development in babies, as it helps to establish trusting relationships and encourage physical coordination and balance. Overall, dandling is a positive and loving way to interact with young children.